Hello, students. In the continuation of e-learning classes, today we will start the Dravya Khadir, which is known as the best drug for Kushtagna Dravya according to the Charak. Kusht, that is the skin disorder or diseases in Ayurveda, have been described under the heading of Kusht. And Kushtagna, the dravyas or plants which are curing the skin diseases. So today we will start the plant Khadir, which is the best among the Kushtagna dravya. Introduction. Khadir Kushtagna Nam. In Charak Sutrasthan, 25th chapter, the shlok is given. And according to this slok, it is clear that Khadir is considered as best drug for kusht or skin disease. The Khadir is a deciduous tree, and the plant of Khadir is many spines which are hooked like structure. Then the plant is useful internally as well as externally. It is used in skin diseases, in itching, diseases of teeth, mouth and throat, as well as it is also used in cough, obesity and worms. Nomenclature. The Latin name of this plant is Acacia catechu and it belongs to Fabaceae family. In Hindi, it is called khair and in English, it is known as Kutch tree or black catechu. This slide shows the vernacular names of Khadir. Khoyar or Kharir, it is called in Assamese. In Bengali, it is called Khera. Gujarati, Khair or Kher. In Kannada, Kaggali. In Marathi, Khaira. In Oriya, Khaira. In Punjabi, Khair. In Tamil, Karanagalli. In Telugu, Chandra or Sandra. And in Urdu, Shanbe Kat. Classical classification. According to Charak, Kushtagna Mahakashaya, Udarda Prashaman Mahakashaya, and Mutra Sangrahaniya Mahakashaya. Kushtagna, that means those drugs which are helpful in treatment of the skin disorder. Udard Prashaman. Udard means skin allergy and Prashaman means to pacify. The drugs which are helpful in treatment of the urticaria. Mutra Sangrahaniya Mahakashaya. The drugs, those which are helpful in the treatment of excessive urination. Shishrut has included in Salsaradi Gana and Bhavprakash Nighantu in Vatadi Varga. Synonyms or the another names of Khadir. Kushtagni. It is considered as a special drug or best drug in the treatment of Kushtha. That's why it is given the name Kushtagni. Next is Rakt Sar. The color of hot wood is red in color. Next, Gayatri. It gives protection to the voice or throat of singer. Next, Dant Dhavan. Its tender stems are used as toothbrush. That's why it's given the name Dant Dhavan. Kantaki. It is very much wild and thorny tree. Balpatra. The leaves of Khadir are very small in size. Bahushalya. The plant of Khadir bears many thorns, and because of that it is termed as Bahu Shalya. Bahu means many, Shalya is used for the thorns. Next, Yagiya. The wood of Khadir is regarded as holy and used in sacrifice or yagya. Bahusara. The heartwood is strong and firm. Because of that, it is called Bahusar. Vakra Kantak. According to the structure of its spine, it is given the name Vakra Kantak. The spines of this plant is hooked in structure. Distribution. Khadir is widely distributed throughout the greater part of India, except the most humid, cold, and the driest region. It is common in the sub-Himalayan tract and found in Jammu, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. Morphology. It is a deciduous tree which reaches up to 9 to 12 meters height. This plant has short hooked spines, and this is one of the important character of this plant. Here this picture shows the whole plant of Khadir. Bark. The bark of Khadir is very much rough. The color of bark is dark grey with short hooked spines, and the branches are thin. Leaves. Leaves of Khadir are bipinnate compound, and 30 to 40 pairs of leaflets are present in very small size. Main rachis is pubescent, and the large gland near the middle of rachis is present. This is a flower of Khadir. The flowers are sessile in nature. The color of the flower is white to pale and axillary spikes. Pentamerous with a campanulate calyx. Corolla is 2.5 to 3 mm long. The filament is white to pale in color, and the stamens are numerous and far exerted from the corolla. Fruits. The fruits of Khadir is flattened, brown in color, and the pods are 5 to 12 centimeter long. Shiny with a triangular peak at apex and narrow at the base. The seeds are present in 3 to 10 number in per pod. Heartwood. The important part use of this plant is heartwood, and the color of this heartwood is red in color, and because of that one of the synonym given is Rakt Sar. Katha, the most important product from the plant of Khadir. The first picture, the blocks of Katha is available in the market, and second is the powder form of Katha. The Katha is obtained by boiling chips of heartwood with water and evaporated. It is used as food additive, good for throat. Katha contains the natural tannins, and because of that it is used in dyeing or coloration. Katha also contains the important chemical constituents catechin and catechol. This picture shows the gum of khadir plant. The gum from khadir is said to be very good quality and it is regarded as the best substitute for the tree babbul, Acacia arabica. Varieties or types. There are 3 types of khadir described in Bhavaprakash Nighantu. Acacia catechu, that is khadir. Acacia suma, that is Shwet khadir, and Acacia farnesiana, that is wheat khadir or irimed. Propagation. The plant khadir is propagated from seeds and the flowering time is August to September and the time of fruiting is November to February. The properties of this plant, the Rasapanchak. The rasa is Tikta and Kashaya. Guna is Laghu Ruksha. The Vipak of Khadir is Katu Vipak. The Virya is Shita Virya. And the Prabhav of this plant is Kushtagna. Chemical constituents. In heartwood, the chemical constituents are present. The names are catechin, epicatechin, epicatechin gallate, epigallocatechin, epigallocatechin gallate, quercetin, quercitrin, etc. In leaves, some alkaloids are present: camphorol, dihydrocampherol, taxifolin, etc. In the bark, glycosides are present. These are porphyrosterol, acycloglucosides, and tannins, gallic acid, phleботannin, etc. Karma. Kushtagna. The charak is already said that Khadir Kushthagnanam Shreshtham. That means it is useful in skin disorder. Kandugna. That is, it is useful in kandu or itching. Kasagna. It is helpful in relieving the kasa or kapha. Medugna. It is helpful in reducing the med or obesity. Krimigna. It is act as a antihelminthic. Stambhana. Sonit sthapana. It is helpful in check the bleeding. Mutra sangrahan. It is relieves in excessive urination. Vrana Rupak. This drug is used as wound healing. And next is Rakta Shodhak. The plant is used in purification of the blood. Indications. Kushtha. It is mainly used in Kushtha. That means in skin disorder. Kandu, the itching problem of skin. That is Kandu. Krimi, in worm infestation. Prameha, it is used in diabetes. Jvara, it is used in fever. Vrana, because of the wound healing property, it is used in vrana or wound. Pandu, it is also used in anemia. Sthalya, obesity. Shvitra, the skin disease leukoderma. Shotha, inflammation. Rakta Pitta, because of the presence of the catechin, one of the chemical constituent, and due to catechin, hemostatic property is there, and because of that it is used in Raktapitta or hemorrhagic disease. Atisar, diarrhea. This is a shlok of Khadir according to Bhav Prakash Nighantu. Khadiro Rakta Sarascha Gayatri Dant Dhavanah Kantaki Balapatrascha Bahushalyascha Yaggiya. This shlok clarifies the synonym of Khadir. The synonyms are Raktasar, Gayatri, Dantadhavan, Kantaki, Balpatra, Bahushalya and Yaggiya, which is already explained in the slide synonyms. The next is the property of Khadir. Khadiraha Shitalo Dantya Kandu Kas Aruchi Pranut. That means the Khadir is Sheet Virya and it is good for teeth, Dantya, and it is used in Kandu Kas Aruchi. Tiktah Kashayo Medogna Krimi Meh Jwar Pranan Shvitra Shoth Am Pittashra Pandu Kushtakafan Harit. Because of the presence of Tikta and Kashayras, it is used in Medogna, anti-obesity, Krimi, Meha, that is diabetes, Jvara, Vrana, wound, Shvitra, that is leukodema, Shotha, inflammation, Am, Pitta, Ashra, Raktapitta, Pandu, anemia, Kushtha, skin diseases. And it pacifies the kapha too. Therapeutic uses. In Kushtha, skin disorder, the decoction of Khadir is used as drink, and to sprinkle the powder of Khadir is externally used according to the Shishrut Samhita. In Ashtang Hriday, the heartwood of Khadir is used in all types of skin diseases. Next, Shwet Kushtha, vitiligo. According to Charak Samhita, whatever remedies are prescribed for Kushtha are also applicable for Shweta Kushtha. Khadir is the best out of all the drugs, both externally and internally in vitiligo. Next, Prameha, diabetes. The Kashay of Khadir and Khadir Kramuk Kashay are used in Prameha. Vrana Shodhan, that means in wound healing. The decoction of Triphala, Khadir, Daru Haridra, Negrodhadi, Bala, Kush and Nimba leaves is used for cleaning of wounds. It is indicated in Charak Samhita. Danta Rog, decoction of Khadir, Yavani or a root of neem relieves dental diseases. Mukh Rog, disease of oral cavity. Khadiradi Gutika and Tal are given for diseases of mouth. Shlipad, filaria. Paste of heartwood of Khadir, Bijak and Sal mixed with honey is taken with cow's urine in morning to cure filariasis. Contraindication. The use of Acacia catechu is contraindicated in pregnant or breastfeeding women and patients undergoing immunosuppressive therapy. Parts used. The useful parts are bark, heartwood, wood extracts, fruits, and gum. The doses are in powder form 1 to 3 gram, in decoction 50 to 100 ml, and Khadir Sar 0.5 to 1 gram. Formulations. Khadiradi Vatti or Khadiradi Gutika is used in oral or throat infection. Khadirisht, Khadiradi Kwat, Khadir Grit. These all are used in skin diseases. Next is Brahm Rasayan, Indrokt Rasayan, Chandanadi Tel, and Kanak Bindu Arisht. Thank you. Thank you for hearing me patiently. Stay safe.